Hi, I'm Shane from Wardrobe Organisers. Today I'm going to show you how to install a linen cupboard. What you're going to require today is a battery drill with a 5mm drill bit, a Phillips screw head, a level and a pencil. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is lay our shelving on the floor in the cupboard on top of each other, like so. Then we take our pole, we set it in the corner down through our shelving. Now if you don't have a pole, what you'll need to do is measure off the floor with these heights. Doesn't matter what the heights are, as long as you're doing them both sides, it'll work out fine. What we need to do is keep our pole about 50mm off the corner, line it up with the corner so it's reasonably level, and then we can just mark with a pencil where our screws go through the poles. Like so. Do the same on the other side. Remove your pole. Take your drill with your 5mm drill bit. And drill your holes where you've marked. Stay on the other side. Just take our back wall anchors and we're going to push these into the back wall, but what we're going to do is leave a 5mm gap in here so we can hang our shelves off. Like so. What we're going to do next is to hang our shelves off our back wall clips. Just remembering that our back wall clips are sticking out of the wall about 5mm. Like so. What we do is we grab our drill, our 5mm drill bit, and we come across approximately 300mm. It can be a bit more or a bit less. We go just below this first rod here, drill a hole, another 300, drill a hole, 300, drill a hole, and approximately 300, drill a hole. Drop our shelf down to our clips below. Grab our drill, another 300. Remove your shelf, drop it down another layer. Finally drop our shelf down to the bottom layer. So, remove our shelf, get a whole bunch of back wall clips, and we're going to push these all the way into the back wall now. And do this with all your shelves and all your holes. Once we've got all the back wall clips in, battery drill, Phillips screw head, screws, and just screw into back wall clip, like so. Go through and do the whole lot. Okay, once we've got our back wall clips all screwed into the back wall, take one of our shelves, put it into the bottom. It's probably the easiest. Clip it in like so. Take a pole, put it in the middle approximately. Now wherever you've got shelves that are over 1 metre long, you're going to require a pole. If it's not over 1 metre long, you don't need one. Okay, so just continue with your shelves. this point you can level up your, straighten up your pole a little bit. The next thing we're going to do is take a U-bracket and a pencil and our level, sit our level on top of the shelf, get our U-bracket, push it underneath the shelf until the shelf is level, and just mark through the holes like so. Do this to all the shelves on both sides. Once we've made our marks for our U-brackets, take a battery drill and a 5mm drill bit, drill our holes on the marks. Like so. Do that for all your shelves. Then we take our wall anchors and we push these into the holes all the way till they're firm. Now I've just started the screws in the U-brackets like so, make it a little bit easier. Lift the shelf up a little bit. Screw that in like that. Same with the other one. So, and just continue through and do all the rest. Okay, so I've just installed all the end brackets, as you can see, and our shelving's all up. Got our pole fitted in the middle, reasonably level, and there you have it.